Every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the Kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's, chunky chocolate peanut butter cookies. Oh boy, I don't know about you, but they sound pretty good to me right now. I like the premise of sweet and salty cookies. I'm not really sure that I've tried one, but I'm really looking forward to trying one today. And also the recently discovered fact that I'm actually a crunchy peanut butter gal makes me extra happy that I can use up that creamy peanut butter I bought recently. So if you're curious to see how it goes, how they look and taste in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 300 grams of chocolate chips, 200 grams of flour, 170 grams of creamy peanut butter, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of brown sugar, 80 grams of salted peanuts, coarsely chopped, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. I'll use my KitchenAid mixer because I'm in love with it, using a paddle attachment. So I'll start by creaming together butter and both kinds of sugar. Great! Now to this, I'm going to add the egg and vanilla extract and mix them in. Oh, so creamy. Well done, well done. Okay, now I'm gonna add the peanut butter and do the exact same thing. Mix it in. Okay, so now before adding the dry ingredients, I will actually scrape down the sides and the bottom just so that everything is mixed up. And now, as for these, ideally you would want to add the baking soda and salt into the flour and quickly mix it in, just so that, you know, it's at least a little bit combined. No, this is way too small for me to do that, so for the very first time on my food challenge, I will not really do that. I'll just add them all here and hope for the best. And by the way, from this point on, the mixing should be minimal. So literally, I'll just mix until I don't see any flour and that's it. And that's literally it. I'm stopping here, no more mixing, except for mixing in the very last ingredients. That's the peanuts and the chocolate chips. I'm gonna add them here and as brief as possible, mix them in. At this point, I turned on my oven to preheat to 190 degrees and lined a couple of baking sheets with some parchment paper. So I'm so ready to make those cookies. I have here a small ice cream scoop, which, believe it or not, is called the cookie scoop. There you have it. So I'm gonna scoop out the dough, form into little bubbles, and place them, you know, kind of spaciously. I think I will make like 12 cookies on one baking sheet, just so that they have space around them too. Just spread out and be born into beautiful cookies. And I will actually press down each cookie a little bit so that it flattens out. And then I'm gonna pop them into the oven for 9 minutes to bake. so good at waiting until they fully cool down, because now I know that the texture will be the true one. As much as I love warm cookies, but when you want to judge, the texture of them, I'm so excited. You wanna wait until they fully cool down. Should I show you some more perfect one? I always, when I try the first one, look, ooh, this, being able to see the peanuts. This texture is just heavenly. When you use brown sugar, they become chewy, but then you hear they're crunchy. Am I savoring this moment? I'm like, this is the best texture ever, truly. It's chewy but crunchy. You get crunch from the texture, you get crunch from the cookie itself, from the peanuts. I'm like, okay. There's slight saltiness to peanuts. I mean, having in mind just how much sugar we have here. Chocolate, 2 sugars, peanut butter. It's disappearing in front of your eyes. It would be surprising for me to really test the salt, I feel like. Not so much sugar, but oh my god, the texture. You have to try these ones. You have to. Especially if you have some peanut butter, which you're not that fond of. I love peanut butter, but this creamy one, I just saw that it's just standing there. I never wanna take it. Just by accident, I bought the creamy one, not a regular crunchy one, and oh my god, this is the perfect way to use it up. I don't even care if I'm all chocolatey, because this is amazing. What kind of thing? I have a little nappy because I kept. Oh my god. I'm so happy. So, this is how mine looks like. This is how Laura's look like. Really, truly 10 out of 10. I don't even need to say anything else. If you want to watch Laura make these cookies, the link is there. If you want to try them yourself, don't you? Check the description box down below for both the imperial and the metric system measurements in the written recipe, of course. And that's it. I will go spend some quality time with these cookies. If you want more cookie recipes, I believe the link is there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!